Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to convert desktop home screen into workspace in any Windows, Mac and Linux computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and Google search for one application named as Deskport by Geeky. On the first list, you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now you'll see here download option. Just click on it. Now select your respective operating system. So right now I'm using a Windows, so it has auto detected. So if you're using a Mac, then just select the Mac, and if you're using a Linux, then just select the Linux. So right now I'm using a Windows, so I'm selecting the Windows, and below you will see here download option. Just click on download now. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run this software installer. Click on next, click on next, click on next, click on finish. So now it will show you some instructions. You can read the instructions or you can just skip it. And now you will see here various options. So you can just click on this create board, and now you can drag and drop the folder here also, or you can just click on it also and select the respective folder. Click on open board. Now you can select your templates, whichever templates you want. So you can see here I've selected this templates, so it will directly show me all the files present on the respective folder. So right now you can see my desktop home screen has been converted into the workspace layout, and even you can see here on the above annotations where you can annotate, you can write everything on the desktop itself. You can add some circles, you can annotate everything here. And you can see our edit option also. Just click on it. Now under the edit, you can change the wallpaper depending upon your needs, or you can select the images, whichever images you want, or you can set up videos also, or you can add your own custom video by uploading here also. And next is you can change the themes. You can change the font style also depending upon your needs. You can show or hide the hidden files also, everything here. So if you want to add something more, you can just click on this plus button. So here you will see your different options like note, task, music, text, link, record, timer, quote, image, website, embedded, and card. Everything here you can add depending upon your needs. So if you click on the note, you can add a note here and you can place it anywhere, wherever you want. So you can add as much notes as you want. You can customize more here. Now you can change the decoration, card colors also. You can change the card colors also depending upon your needs here. There is a pop-up settings also, and decorations. You can change the decoration styles also here, everything. You can change the layout also about this notepad layout. So let me place it here. Once you are done, click on done. So similarly, if you want to add more, just click on this plus and select your respective options in order to add more things to this workspace. So once you are done, you can just click on this close if you want to move back to the default desktop home screen. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily convert desktop home screen into workspace in any Windows, Mac and Linux computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.